So in our previous lesson, we were working on parallel connections. Now we're going to series connections. Now the difference is basically that parallel connections, there are several differences. Each lead has their own resistor. That is one. But in series, as one resistor can serve as many lead. Another difference is that in parallel, all of them, if one is removed, all of them can still work. But in series, if one is removed, none of them will work again. Now let's start the practical aspect. We carry our LED, the positive side on the negative here, and negative side on the positive row. Okay. We carry our resistor. We place it here. Is that okay? Then we carry our two jumper wires.
The man.
Yes, male to male jumper wires. We place one here on the positive side. Leave it. We place another one here, right behind the resistor.
This is a series connection.
Yes, this is series connection. Now, using our battery. And there's this. But the fun part about this is that you can add more. So this one resistor can serve as many as you want. Let's try it. There it is. That's the part about the series connection, which we all need to learn about.
Now, what is the advantage of
The
parallel to
advantage
series?
of parallel connection to series connection is that once one is removed, the others can still work. This is more expensive to do, and this is less expensive. So that is the thing. This is mostly used in houses. Yes, we use it in houses too, but they are not literally what people want. So that is the main thing about parallel connection and series connection.
Thank you.